Let L be a linear transformation. Find the value of the transformation of vector v in each of the following cases. So we have a vector v, 1, 0, 0, and the transformation from R3 to R3 is given. R3 means three-dimensional. So what we're going to want to do is to write it as a linear combination. I have the formula here. This formula says if the transformation from Rn to Rm is a linear transformation, then the transformation of C sub 1 times U sub 1 all the way to C sub k times U sub k is the same as C sub 1 times the transformation of U sub 1 all the way to C sub k times the transformation of U sub k. So we're going to be using this formula. Let's let A be C sub 1 and let's let B be C sub 2. So A times this vector 3, negative 2, 4 plus B C sub 2 times our second vector times 1, negative 1, and 2. And we're letting it equal to our V, which is 1, 0, 0. I'm just following this formula here, nothing crazy here. So after this is basically a system. After you solve this system, of course, you need to use reduced row echelon form. And after you've done that, you'll see A is equal to 1 and B is equal to negative 2. So our C sub 1 is 1 and C sub 2 is negative 2. But what is our transformation for U sub 1? That is this, right? And the transformation for U sub 2 is this. So we're basically going to multiply our A by the first transformation and our B by the second transformation. So because A is 1, so we're just going to copy the first vector, the first transformation, 0, 1, times minus 2 plus minus 2 times the second transformation, which is 4, 3, 0. And this should be, and after we solve this is going to be my transformation for V, for vector V. So we can see that this is going to be negative 1 minus 8, negative 9. Okay, 0 plus negative 6 is negative 6, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So there you have it. My answers should be negative 9, negative 6, and 1. Let's see if that's correct. Negative 9, negative 6, and 1. And that is indeed correct.